Hello, my name is Ana Sofia Quiñones Arango. I am married. I am from Camarra, Cesar. I am 32 years old. I am administrator assistant. I am studying mathematics and UNAT. I live in Girón, Santander. In my free time, I like to read. I like to watch television. I like to walk. I like to paint pictures. Sometimes I go jogging or reading a bicycle. In Girón there are several churches. There is a very beautiful rural area. The main tourist place in Girón, Santander, the minor Basilica of San Juan Bautista. The town hall and government house located in the main park. De las Nieves parking is chapel of Our Lady of the Snows. The Peralta Park. Visit the house museum La Mansión del Fraile. Go up to the monument of the Sacred Heart, to the chapel of the Lord as Miracle in Corregidor, in the rural sector, and the chapel San Roque in Peñas in the rural sector. The typical food of Girón is breakfast with tamal, chocolate, and bread and the new hybrid or maize meat accompanied by a refajo. Among the main celebrations of Girón are the birthdays of its San Juan Girón Foundation, the Tabacalera Fair, the Christmas, novenas, the Laster Contest. In December, the Peregrinaje of the San Benito de Palermo. The Holy Week procession from the center of the villas to the Corregidor rural sector. In the chapel of the Lord of Miracles. Among the activities that can be done the Girón Wi-Fi strolling through the old town, visiting of different parks and the tea is delicious maracu mix, and drink wines, my ingredients in the passion fruit. Visiting the churches, a week at visiting the tourist boardwalk. Thank you.